Pioneer, imagine paying Pi para may robot na mag-deliver ng groceries mo. Sci-fi, right? Hindi na ngayon. Kasi most people still see Pi as something na minamine mo lang, you hold it, or trade it. Pero without really spending use cases, mahirap gumawa ng lasting demand. Well, Pi Network officially announced kagabi lang that it joined RoboPay as a payment partner across the Fabric network. Pero clear tayo dito, no? This is the foundation. Hindi pa ibig sabihin may robot nang maghahatid ng taho sa bahay mo bukas. Well, the simple explanation dito is the RoboPay allows humans, tayong mga tao, and AI agents to find, hire, coordinate, and pay robots using blockchain. Well, simpler version is parang digital payment system for robot services. Well, future services could include the delivery robots, security patrols, industrial inspections, and humanoid assistants. Ika nga. Instead of buying an expensive robot, you pay only for the task na kailangan mo. Pero teka, Ethereum yung L1 ni Robo ha, and nasa BNB chain ecosystem si Robo. Bakit pa yan ginagamit for payment? Pwede ba yon? Well, yes, pwede. Let's do history. Pi Network Ventures back OpenMind for Robo. So possibly, this AI technology can transition sa L1 to Pi Network, okay, when ready. Just like what Crowny did way back before from Ethereum to Solana. Now, the only question is, when? Okay lang. Diba? This gives Pi Network a serious real-world direction beyond speculation. But the real test is actually deployment, pricing, user access, diba? And retention or repeat transactions. Now, Pioneer, what I want you to do is to learn small, win big. Click the follow button dito sa Facebook ko and subscribe to my YouTube channel yan sa comment section down below. And if you want to learn more about crypto, you want to earn more in crypto, maybe gusto mong matuto ng trading, just comment down below Fibonex. Yan, i-type mo yan dyan sa comment section. And I will send you a personal link yan, para magkaroon ka na access sa website ko. This is only limited access for those people who are valuable para sa akin. See you in the next video, Pioneer.